Right, we had a leak in our tap. This is the hole. Back of the tap, water was gushing out there. Thai quality. Tap is 4 years old, and that's what's happened to it. So I've got to replace it. I've taken this cover off, and this is what I've discovered. Thai quality. This basin has always leaked. There's always been a drip coming out of this basin, and I can see why. That is it. That is the waste fitting. So you can see why it was leaking. So, my problem is now I've got to try and get up there to undo that nut and take out the tap. So, that is what I'm going to try to do now. It looks a bit rusted as well, which doesn't help. So, I'll have a go and I'll come back to you.